Welcome to another beginner step-by-step tutorial. This time with Mr. Official in the building. We're going to be working on the simplicity of just shaving someone's head. When it comes to cutting hair, there's so many ways to go about it, whether you're doing a beard, whether you're doing a head shave, whether you're doing a style. The best way I can compare it is how an artist would complete his artwork, the type of brushes they use, the equipment, the painting, and I like to pretty much compare that to with hair. There's so many ways to do it, but today in this tutorial we're going to share with you how Los Cutter does it. And of course I had to bring the shave master himself. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with our level 3 cape. Now once my product is in there, I'm just simply gonna go ahead and get a hot towel. What the hot towel is gonna do is gonna open the cuticle, it's gonna soften up the hair in a sense to make it easier to remove. When you're about this far, you can really barely feel it. It's just enough to keep the pores open, allowing us for a smoother shave. All I have to do is really just use my thumb and grip his forehead going down. And because the hair on the top of his head is extremely fine, you always have to make sure that your client is not fidgeting or moving around when the blade is at work. If you really want to take your sweet time, you can apply a level 3 black mask on there. You can do a facial and let him sit with the mask on. Even if it is just a shaved head, you can make your service a different one. Now that we're working towards the end, the product is pretty much dry. This is why I strongly recommend you get a steamer, because it's going to keep the humidity level on 10. It's going to keep the product moist and it's going to allow the blade to flow. Now his colic is going to go up around here, so you see the way the hair pattern goes up here. So it does mean that we are going against the grain in this case, but because his hair is still fine here, it doesn't get really thick until we get to the upper nape, lower crown area. We're going to always keep the skin nice and stretched, and you're going to allow that one stroke to come all the way down. And you always want to give a client a fair warning before using any type of aftershave. Our level 3 aftershave is an awesome aftershave because also for men it's cologne. And if you give them a fair warning, they start to adjust whatever little burning it might give them. But overall, this is pretty much going to avoid any redness, irritation. And the key goal to doing a clean, bald head shave is to have 0 cuts, 0 irritation, just all skin, nice and smooth. Thank you guys so much. This has been a beginner's tutorial on how to shave a head using my perfect model, Mr. Official. Salute, stay tuned for more. I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned.